Ever wondered how databases, seemingly an assortment of data, can yield valuable insights and knowledge? Well, let's unravel this enigma together. Databases, in essence, are massive repositories where we store data. They're like colossal digital libraries filled not with books, but with data. Data about everything you can possibly imagine. Now, within these vast expanses of information lies a wealth of hidden knowledge waiting to be discovered. But how do we transform this raw, unfiltered data into something meaningful and usable? How do we find the needle of knowledge in this haystack of data? This is the question that has intrigued data scientists and researchers across the globe. It's a conundrum that has led to the development of sophisticated tools and techniques to extract, refine, and interpret this data. And the answer to this enigma, the answer lies in a process called knowledge discovery in databases. Knowledge discovery in databases, abbreviated as KDD, is a systematic process of discovering useful knowledge from large amounts of data. In the digital era we're living in, data is often referred to as the new oil. But just like crude oil needs refining before it can fuel our vehicles, raw data needs a process to extract meaningful insights that can drive decisions. This is where knowledge discovery in databases, or KDD, steps in. KDD is a multidisciplinary field that combines expertise from areas such as data mining, machine learning, statistics, and databases. It aims to sift through the vast oceans of data and pull out nuggets of useful, actionable knowledge. Imagine it like panning for gold in a riverbed, except the river is a torrent of data and the gold is the nuggets of knowledge we're after. Why is KDD important? Let's delve into that. In today's data-driven world, the sheer volume of data generated every second is mind-boggling. We're not just talking about numbers, but also text, images, videos, and more. This data, if left unprocessed, is just a chaotic mess of information. But with KDD, we can make sense of this chaos. KDD helps us transform this raw, unstructured data into valuable knowledge. It allows us to see patterns, trends, and associations that would otherwise be hidden in the data deluge. This knowledge is not just useful, it's powerful. It can help businesses make informed decisions, scientists uncover new discoveries, and governments shape policies. However, it's crucial to understand that KDD is not a one-step process. It's a series of interlinked steps, each crucial to the overall outcome. It starts with data cleaning, where the raw data is scrubbed of inconsistencies and errors. Then comes integration, where data from various sources is combined into a unified whole. This is followed by data selection and transformation, where the relevant data is chosen and converted into a suitable format for further analysis. The heart of the process is data mining, where the actual discovery of patterns takes place. Finally, we have interpretation and evaluation, where the discovered knowledge is understood and assessed for usefulness. KDD is not just a single step, but a series of steps that involve data cleaning, integration, selection, transformation, mining, interpretation, and evaluation. The first steps in the KDD process are data cleaning and integration. Picture this. You're an artist, and your canvas is splattered with excess paint, smudges, and random lines. Before you can create your masterpiece, you need to clear the canvas, removing any noise and ensuring a smooth, clean surface. This is exactly what data cleaning is all about in the realm of knowledge discovery and databases. It's about eliminating the noise and the inconsistent data, creating a clean slate for the upcoming processes. Now imagine you're a chef, preparing a gourmet meal. You have ingredients from different sources, the farmer's market, the supermarket, your own garden. Before you start cooking, you need to integrate these ingredients, ensuring they all work together to create a harmonious dish. Similarly, data integration in the KDD process is about merging data from multiple sources into a coherent data store. It's about ensuring all the bits and pieces of data align and function together, contributing to a larger, cohesive picture. Just like the artist needs a clean canvas to paint, and the chef needs integrated ingredients to cook, we need clean, integrated data to discover knowledge in databases. These initial steps lay the foundation for the entire KDD process. They ensure that the data we're working with is reliable, consistent, and ready for further processing. These steps ensure we have a clean, integrated data set ready for further processing. Once the data is clean and integrated, the next steps are data selection and transformation. Now, what does this mean? Well, let's break it down. Data selection is like choosing the perfect ingredients for your recipe. You wouldn't make a chocolate cake with carrots, would you? Similarly, in the realm of data, you handpick only the most relevant data from your database. This could be data that's pertinent to your research question, data that's statistically significant, or even data that's simply interesting for exploratory analysis. The key is to select data that will provide meaningful insights and contribute to your overall mining objectives. But we're not done just yet. Once we've chosen our ingredients, it's time to prepare them. That's where data transformation comes in. This process is like finely chopping, grating, or melting your ingredients to ensure they're in the right form for your recipe. In data terms, transformation can involve a variety of techniques. It could mean normalizing data to reduce skewness, smoothing out noisy data, or even aggregating data to create new features. The aim here is to convert data into forms that are appropriate for mining, making it easier for algorithms to digest and extract valuable insights. In essence, data selection and transformation are all about refining raw data into a high-quality ingredient that's ready for the main event, data mining. The result is a carefully curated and transformed set of data, primed for the mining process. Data mining is the heart of the KDD process. It's the lifeblood that pumps vitality into the entire system, the linchpin that holds the intricate operations of knowledge discovery together. Imagine data as an uncharted territory, a vast expanse of raw, untamed wilderness. It's a world teeming with hidden patterns and unseen correlations just waiting to be discovered. Data mining is the process of navigating this wilderness, of applying sophisticated algorithms to the data to extract these hidden treasures. These algorithms are like our compasses and maps, guiding us through the dense forest of data. They sift through the data, separating the wheat from the chaff and uncovering patterns that we might have otherwise overlooked. From decision trees and clustering to neural networks and outlier detection, these algorithms are the tools we use to make sense of the chaos. But it's not just about finding patterns, it's about finding the right patterns, the ones that can provide us with new insights and deeper understanding. It's about asking the right questions, about knowing what to look for. And that's where the true power of data mining lies. It's not just a process, it's a mindset, a way of thinking that challenges us to look beyond the surface and delve deeper into the data. And as we navigate through this labyrinth of data, we start to see things in a new light. We start to see connections where we didn't see them before, to understand the data in ways we didn't think were possible. We start to see the world not as a series of isolated events, but as a complex web of interrelated phenomena. This is the heart of data mining, the moment of epiphany when the hidden patterns begin to emerge, when the unseen becomes seen. It's the moment when we realize that the data isn't just a collection of numbers and figures, but a story waiting to be told, a mystery waiting to be solved. Data mining is where the magic happens, and hidden patterns begin to emerge. It's the process that brings the data to life, that gives it meaning and purpose. It's the heart of the KDD process, and it's the key to unlocking the secrets of the data. The final steps in the KDD process are interpretation and evaluation. This is where we transform the mind patterns into tangible knowledge. Interpretation is the art of making sense of these patterns. It's like looking at a complex painting and deciphering the story it tells. We take the raw, intricate patterns we've unearthed and begin to understand their real-world implications. Next comes the evaluation, a critical step. It's not enough to simply find patterns. We must assess their usefulness. Are they relevant to the questions we're asking? Do they actually provide insights that can drive actions? The evaluation stage also checks the validity of our findings. It's our reality check, ensuring that the knowledge we've derived is credible and reliable. And so what began as a vast database ends as a treasure trove of knowledge. Each step of the KDD process transforms raw data into valuable insights, turning the enigma of databases into a wellspring of wisdom. So we've taken a journey through the knowledge discovery and databases process, transforming data into knowledge. We began with the enigma of databases, vast and full of potential. The first steps were data cleaning and integration, where we prepared our dataset, ensuring its accuracy and completeness. Then we moved on to data selection and transformation, where we honed in on the relevant information and adapted it to fit our needs. The heart of the process came next with data mining, where we applied sophisticated algorithms to extract patterns and trends. Finally, we wrapped up with interpretation and evaluation, giving meaning to our findings and assessing their value. Each step is crucial in its own right, building on the last and paving the way for the next. Together, they form a comprehensive process that turns raw data into valuable knowledge. Indeed, knowledge discovery in databases is a vital process in our data-driven world, turning the enigma of databases into a wellspring of insights.